Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to do the upside down line drawing. So in your folder you'll find these handouts, reference photos that are just different things, but they're just with a line, so no shading or anything. And I'm going to want you to look at it upside down, as you can see in my video, okay? And just a note, so I'm right-handed, so that's why I'm set up this way, but if you were left-handed, you're going to do things differently than I do in my videos, okay? It would make more sense to be set up this way if you're left-handed. So just be aware of that. If you're left-handed, feel free to do what's comfortable to you. It's not going to look the same as it does in my videos. Okay, and when I start drawing, I'm going to try and draw it the same size and as accurately as possible. I'm going to just start with this line over here because it's closest to the edge. That gives me a place to know where to start. So I know to put this line close to the edge. And when I finish one line, I'm just going to do the next one that connects to it. Okay. Now, you may be wondering, let's talk about, while I'm drawing, let's talk about why I would possibly be asking you to draw a picture upside down. Take a minute to think about that while I'm drawing. Why am I drawing it upside down? What do you guys think that I'm thinking about as I'm drawing here? Okay, well, hopefully you watched the lecture on drawing on the right side of the brain or drawing in visual mode rather than symbol mode. If you haven't watched that, what I'm going to be talking about next might not make a lot of sense, so please go back and watch that. But drawing upside down helps me trick my brain into seeing things as lines and shapes and distances rather than seeing things for what they actually are. Right now, I'm not imagining myself drawing a cat's back, okay? I'm not in my head thinking, what is a cat's back supposed to look like? Right now, I'm thinking about how long is this line supposed to be? How curved should it be? How does it change angles? It abruptly changes angles right here. How straight is this line? How pointy is this line? How big is this? So instead of thinking about a cat's head and what a cat's head is supposed to look like, drawing upside down helps me just see lines, distances, angles, curves, and so on. So you might have noticed I jumped from here down to here. If you ever reach a spot that you're kind of like stumped on or seems hard or seems overwhelming, you're welcome to jump somewhere else that you think will be easier. So I thought this thing right here kind of looks like a 3 shape was going to be way easier than that up there. So there's no wrong way to draw. You do what's comfortable for you. You think creatively about how to do something different in a way that helps you, okay? And now I feel a little more confident to do that shape because I have something else to give it a reference point. Like, okay, I know this is here. This helps me do this distance from this line to this distance. And then that kind of helps me get something else more accurate, like that shape should have been a little bit bigger. I need to grab an eraser. Okay,